Hello everyone, my name is Kurt Holden. I'm with Superior Equipment. Today I'm going to be showing you stock number 16E33WT. This is a 2016 Freightliner M2. The gross vehicle weight rating on it is 26,000, meaning it needs no commercial driver's license to drive it. This truck looks like brand new. It's got aluminum wheels on it, which doesn't affect the performance, but it looks nice. The cab looks brand new. The truck is equipped with a 270 horsepower Cummins engine. You can see the steer tires on the passenger side are just about brand new. There's no damage to the driver's side door. The tank's brand new. There's a look at the tread on your tires, on your drive tires. You've got a hose reel on the back. There's a look at the other side of the tank. Aluminum wheels again, plenty of tread on the passenger side drive tires. There's a look at the passenger side of the cab. The other drive tire, passenger side, just about brand new. There's a look at the hood. So you've got two sprayers in the front, two in the back, and one on the side. They're all air driven, so just a push button to get them going. The interior in this is nice, clean working environment in here. Seats are not torn up. It's a little dusty in here, but before it leaves, we'll clean it up real nice. There's a look at, again, it's dirty, but we'll clean it up. The dash is in perfect condition, no cracks. Nobody's drilled into it for anything. The gauges all work. I'm going to start it up. Fires up real nice. You have $57,000 miles on it. Nice low miles. This is a 2016. There's your control panel. Air conditioning blows nice and cold. The check engine light's on. We know why that is. It's the ambient sensor, which tells the temperature outside of the truck. That will be replaced before it leaves. Other than that, there's no fault codes, nothing wrong with the engine. This truck's ready to be put to work. Thank you for watching my video again today. My name is Kurt with Superior Water Trucks, and you can reach me directly on my cell at 602-487-4777. Have a great day today.